Today I'm showing you how to fix the unavailable for subscription error on Google Play Store. Let's get started. What causes this error? This error typically happens due to payment method issues or corrupted Play Store data. Let's try some solutions. Solution 1. Check and update payment method. First, open the Google Play Store app on your device. Tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Payments and Subscriptions from the menu. Tap on Payment Methods at the top. If you have a payment method already added, tap the Update button next to it to refresh the information. Better yet, try removing the old payment method completely by tapping the three dots and selecting Remove. Then add it back as a new payment method. In many cases, this simple step fixes the subscription error. Solution 2. Add a different payment method. If updating doesn't work, try adding a completely different credit card, debit card, or select PayPal if available. Sometimes switching payment methods resolves the issue. Solution 3. Clear Play Store cache and data. If the payment method fix didn't work, we need to clear the Play Store cache. Long press the Play Store icon on your home screen. Tap the small I or information icon. This takes you to App Info. Tap on Storage or Storage and Cache. First, tap Clear Cache, wait a few seconds, then also tap Clear Data if the option is available. Solution 4. Relaunch Play Store. Exit the settings and completely close the Play Store app. Reopen it. It might take a little longer to load as it reinstates itself. Once it opens, try your subscription again. Solution 5. Retry payment method. After clearing cache and data, go back to Payments and Subscriptions and try adding your payment method again. This time, it should work without errors. Additional tips. Make sure your Google Play Store app is updated to the latest version. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Google Play Store, and check for updates. Also, ensure your device has a stable internet connection, as subscription errors can sometimes be caused by connectivity issues. And that's it. One of these solutions should fix the unavailable for subscription error on your Google Play Store.